Kama wananchi mtafanya mtihani ya kila kiongozi mwaka ujao. Kila kiongozi apimwe na kazi yake. Kuna hata wengine hawajui Antobetwe ni wapi na wanataka kupigiwa kura. Wewe utapigiwa kura ujui alafu. Sijui kama tunaelewana my friends. Tuko pamoja? Kwa hivyo mimi nawauliza ndugu zangu watu wa hapa Igembe, kwa sababu tunataka tushirikiane na tunataka tufanye kazi pamoja. Mimi nawauliza tutembee pamoja, tufanye kazi pamoja. Ile mipango tuko nayo hapa mbele, Mungu atujalie, ndio tuweze kubadilisha taifa letu la Kenya. Mipango na maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya limechelewa, na imecheleweshwa na watu wa makelele mingi na kazi kidogo. Sio kama tunaelewana? Tuko pamoja? Si kila mtu atapimwa na ile kazi atafanya? Si ndio? Yes, mtu atueleze barabara gani ametengeneza, stima gani ametengeneza, maji watoto ngapi wamesomesha, matibabu amepanga namna gani. Mtu uweze kupiga tu kelele hapa one time kasongo sijui nini atupigiwe kura. Utapigiwa kura namna gani bwana? Sio kama tunaelewana? Meru tumekubaliana?
Zalopoga ya maruun butsiasa mano mar Jubilee kendo jalno yendo bende koro lapdo genda onkanyo eko ne chung dilaro kompir mapacho kendi mano kanyo ko migosi Fred Matiang'i koro ni to chiwo siem ne ganda jo Kenya kalwere kanyo ndo kod ng'ikruok kata rem mar nyiso adiera mar gi ne ganda jo piny mar duol no yendo mochung kanyo eko ne yiero kod kio pacho ka mano duol mar IEBC ko yango kanyo ni duol mar IEBC oserem kanyo eko rito chung mar gi motegno ka achiel kod chike matayo duol no kinde mabende gise mar mondo mi koro donjruok kod duol no endo kokalo kuom lemo mamoko magweko mag serikal. Kinde mane loso e kanisa moro tok nyasi mar Alamo Odiochieng manyoro e bengi koma Embu migosi Fred Matiang'i oyango kanyo e koni duol mar IEBC osebedo kanyo ndo ka korito chung margi motegno e gino makidek kelo ng'ikruok kata tero piny Kenya e badho malich mewuoro. Kwa duol no endo mondo mi koro duok yie mar jo piny Kenya kuomgi ka achiel kod bende neno kanyo koni kier mano neno kanyo kinde yiero ma higa 2007 okobiro nene pacho kaendi e kinde maganda jo Kenya koro geto dhi yiero maduong' mar higa 2027.
I would like the chairman of IEBC and his commissioners, and I know some of them. I've known them from their workplaces. I can Professor Adwal and so on. I worked with them when I was VC. I know some of them. I can't say they are dumb people. They are smart people. But I want them to go sit in the room and ask themselves this question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being highest possible confidence and 1 being the least confidence, where do they rank in Kenya? In my view, they are falling below 5 in terms of confidence. The IEBC is watching blatantly when the government is engaged in historic bribery and vote by history. It has never happened in Kenya. What we are seeing in Okarao is sometimes you wonder whether it is a government that is desperate. I don't know why this government is so desperate to win that seat. They are so desperate that they are doing incredible things. I mean, all of you guys have seen them. Mattresses, gas cookers, what have you, boats. You have seen all those things happening. I want the chairman of IEBC today to remember Mr. Samuel Kivuitu and how this country got into trouble after the 2007 general elections. Because the chairman of the Electoral Commission then said that even he did not know who actually won the election. Now, I don't know what language to use to express this. And what they are doing, the level of confidence in them is declining. I want to say this boldly. The level of confidence in the IEBC is going below average. They're watching those things happening. And then the chairman comes to a press conference and speaks sheepishly, as though he doesn't have powers to do. So, anangojea firimbi ya nani to act. He's waiting for who? Sasa kazi yake ni kupata orders from the executive branch of government. Have you seen that level of abuse of the law? And it's as if actually the commission is insubordinate to the office of the president and to the executive branch of government. Now the chairman of IEBC has insubordinated himself to the president and to the government, when in actual fact he's the one who's going to moderate the electoral process through which the president has to renew his mandate or lose it. So what confidence can Kenyans have that we are going to have a free and fair election with that kind of IBC? They are walking Kenya to a crisis themselves, broad daylight. They're walking the country to a crisis. Because if they don't manage the election, if what they are doing in Olkalau is what they are going to do during the general elections, God forbid.
Gavana, jalopo gavana makaunti Kakamega, mano kanyo migosi Ayub Savola, koro nito kwa yoruodhi, kachiro kod jalopo gi, mawuoke gwengege kuma kono. Mondo ne kanyo koni gibedo para manyime, chenro mar neno kanyo koni oganda makono, oyudo kanyo opande, kendo bende ndikore kaka jogo ombulu. Kinde mane romo kanyo endo kod ruodhi mawuoke gwenge mopogore opogore, moting'o kanyo mano malugari. Mano endo Malava kod mano maluku yani, no kwa yoruodhi go, mondo ne kanyo koni oganda makono. Ondikore duto kaka jolutombulu ka igeto bende ni gwenge maimbo ogolo kanyo jolutombulu manyien maromo kanyo milion 4 dwaro maduong' mar koroni to biro chiwo sir motegno ne ker ma pacho kaendi migosi William Samuel Ruto dwaro mare mar dok laro lemo mar kom ker ma pacho kaendi yiero mibiro timo pacho kaendi telo mar 2 higa mar 2027.
Kubaliane how we move forward. Unataka kufanye nini? Hapo tutakuwa na funga mambo ya voter registration. Kwa sababu nataka tuhakikishe huyu kijana kutoka hapa Sugoi amerudi tamu yake ya pili. Ili atufungulie barabara ya Muluya kuwa rais 2032. Nikaambia hesabu mjumbe wenu hapa Rwanda anasupport nani? Ruto. Niba ni MP wangu anasupport nani? Ruto. Jirani mwingine hapo Shinani support nani? Ruto. Jirani wa chini kabisa ni mwana support Ruto. Huyu out of the 32 MPs we have in Western Kenya, only 3 are in opposition. The rest wako kwa serikali. Kale kwa misi hapa anarudi laini. Hapa tunazoea. So we are getting strong. Lakini the most important thing ndio leo madam amesema tutafute kura ijae tuhakikishe kura yote tumepatia William Samoei Ruto ili tufungue barabara sisi tuingia. Na hesabu ni rahisi, tukisupport hawa wakalenjini, tukienda kuwaomba 2032 nisheni mkono, watakosa kurudisha mkono? Sio watarudisha mkono. Sasa weka Waluya hesabu, weka Wajaluo.
Chema moko en kanyo ikoni kweth bag jotelo mabende koro ungo lwedo sirikal ma pacho kaendi koro ni to nyiso seyo margi ne kweth ma otelnegi kanyo endo kod migosi Rigathi Gachagua kuom weche go eko mabende nosebedo kowacho moyango kanyo ikoni mago gin siasa mapogo oganda jo Kenya. Jotelo go weyo wach mane migosi Rigathi Gachagua nogole dhoge kano nyiso kanyo endo gavana mano kanyo migosi Irungu Kang'ata, Senator Edwin Sifuna kod kweth nendo duto mar Linda Mwananchi kinde mabende nochune gisiemo mondo kigidhi gitim siasa kata campaign gwengege ko ma Olkalau. Kotelnegi kanyo endo kod speaker bura mamalo mano kanyo ko migosi Moses Wetangula yango kanyo koni migosi Rigathi Gachagua osewuok oko mar neno kanyo koni opogo piny Kenya kaseyo makamano bende koro ne ogol kanyo endo kod gavana Ken Lusaka kaachiel kod mano endo jatend kweth mathoth mano kanyo migosi Aaron Cheruyot.
Sisi kama jamii za hapa, uwe Mteso, uwe Msabaot, uwe Muluya, uwe Wakikuyu, mnakuja kufanya biashara na wengine, tunataka tuungane. Hatutaki ile upuzi tunaona kule maondi kwingine ya kusema watu hawana shares, sijui watu wanafanya nini. Kwa hivyo nisi tunataka tuungane. Hapa Sirisia, mimi natembea na mbunge wenu John Koi Waluke na muunga mkono. Na nataka kuona yeye naye apangane na wenzake. Tony hapa kama MCA wetu. Na wengine mufanye kazi pamoja. Mimi nikienda kule mbele sitaki uadui nyuma. Nataka kila mtu pige foleni, tutembee pamoja.
Unajua kuna maneno inaendelea hapa katika jamii ya Mlembe. Kuna watoto wadogo wanajaribu kukimbia. Wanasema kina papa wajui kile wanafanya. Sisi tumewaambia huyo mkabila ambaye tulifukuza sisi tunamjua kushinda wao. jana amefukuza hiyo wakora ya Linda Uhuru akina Sifuna na Osoti, akawaambia wasijaribu kukanyaga Nyandarua. Sasa Sifuna amefukuzwa ODM, amefukuzwa kwa opposition, sasa anahangaika hapa katikati. Mimi nimemwambia, wewe hapana dharau huyu papa. Tunaambiwa kile mzee anaweza ona kama ameketi chini, kijana hawezi ona hata akiwa juu ya.
Adhi kanye kaunti Masaya kama wado kanye koni tenda od bura mano malego usonga koro gulo kanyo menda maromo kanyo milion 40 kod auchiel e siro somb jopuonjre go ko marie kato onge kanyo endo kod nyalo. Jotelo mag od bura no endo yango kanyo koni menda go dhi siro somb jopuonjre ma heo kanyo 2,000 mago mane skunde mag sekondar, colleges kod mago mag mbalarianya. Manager mar CDF mano kanyo migosi Amos Apollo wacho kanyo koni skunde go mag boarding dedo kanyo menda maromo kanyo milion 9.76 ma dhisiro jopuonjre maromo kanyo 1,220 to kod 20 ka jopuonjre maromo kanyo 815 mag college dhiyudo kanyo ko menda maromo kanyo milion 6.52 ka mago eko mane mbalariany dhiyudo kanyo milion 6.40 ne jopuonjre maloyo kanyo 800 ka bende jopuonjre modak kod kit ng'ol ma kwan gi nyalo romo kanyo 188 idhi miyo kanyo menda maromo kanyo milion 1.
I also noticed that there are some people who are trying to play with the names. Names don't lie. Anyango, Tienu, Tien Anyango. There's something you are going to, that's why I'm here. To see such people are trying to joke around. Eh? One name, you want to play with that one name several times so that you get a higher figure. You will not. Computer is here, we are here, and we are not going to allow that. If you get such person, you are disqualified, we give those people failed. Because that's a criminal act. We have realized that some of you people did not capture the admission number correctly. So please, we are going to also to be very keen on that, so that the checks don't go and come back. If you take this check, please, don't keep it. We want by Monday, because I'm able to see from the bank which check has gone through. That is why when you take the check, I'll be able to call you and ask you why the check has not gone through the bank. If you put it to the bank right now, I'll be able to be notified. This particular check has gone through. So if you take the check and you keep it, please, that is a mistake. Don't take the check if you're not sure you'll be able to deliver it in good time. After this, we'll be able to start the process of now the infrastructure, the schools. We felt we should be able to clear this, then we move to the next which is infrastructure development. We release a total of 46,798,000. I'm giving the breakdown. Boarding schools, 1,220 students, each will be getting 8,000.
Jor bura ma Kisumu mano kanyo eko Mikai Ruth Odinga chielo machielo ogoyo dhoge pinye koyango kanyo eko rochruok mar arita mamedo mana jimbore kaunti nende ma Kisumu. Kata kamano to jotelo linga okwayo jotelo mondo mi koro nitori wigi kanyo achiel mondo ne kanyo eko yore go minyalo tiyo godo e tieko weche mag njore mosebedo ka jimbore e kaunti nendo ma Kisumu.
I said that the whole county, we should sit down, all leaders from MCS, MPs, governor, security, because the policemen are the people who are also culprits. Even policemen should not be in one area for too long. For too long, police in the county law, tikelo mono no kino bedo kanyo. So, but magi take it more nyalo mana wacho no sani gi bako nyithindo gi to gidogi wegi. They pick the children and then they release them the next day. And you find that we leaders are the ones who are perpetrating. For me, as a woman leader and a mother and a community person and a strong leader as such, I am going to fight, even if it means single-handedly, this issue of security in Kisumu, because Kisumu must become safe, people must work. You can't even be in Kisumu after 7 in the evening. And there's no lights in the street lights. Everywhere is dark. I am talking that we must sit down as all of us and bring change. Otherwise, I'll do it as a one-person crusade. Otherwise, I feel now Romo, I'm capable, and I'm a woman of strength, and I'm going for the governorship of Kisumu. I am asking for it, I am going for it, and I'm confident. Me with God,
Yena mar mondo mi amake gi kanyo janeno mar Kala TV. Kata kamano aweka ndiko lipot moyiedhi mano yekno kanyo kod jafwambo kendo lipota maro Justice Sadoyo weche ge ko mag tuke mag adhula mosebedo ka dhi nyime e pacho kendi ka koro giko ne to piem go ko mag skunde mag sekondar ta mar ariyo higa mar 2026 to nyorumo pari tuke go ne obag kanyo sikunde ya wuoyi ma Homa Bay maidore county ni Roma Homa Bay kucho ka school mar St Mary's Siaya no wuok kanyo joloch tukige ko mag adhula mag yawuoyi ka skunde nyiri mano Manyakat Girls no wuok kanyo jo piem no wuok kanyo joloch timo mosi tukige ko mag adhula kata mag piem mag nyiri koro sani niende region ma Nyanza koro keto wange ka koro gida mana ni rango rang'eny mag tukego e kidieny mar nationals. Justice Adoyo miyowa ler matut e wach market kod mano. Oriti masani nyinga ni Tracy Ouma.
Jomariek nogongero ni gimoro amora mantie koda chakruok gikone to koro nyaka bed koda giko tukego eko mag skunde sekondari 2026 mago mag tam ero mar ariyo gikone to koro ne ochopo e giko skunde yawuoyi ero ma Homa Bay mabende yudore Homa Bay County bang' ka timbego eko bura ne owuok joloch e tuke kata piem maket kod mago. Negin piemgo eko mag johera mopogore opogore mabende ne wuok e counties mopogore opogore noketo wang'gi maliche mokalo piem mabende noneno ka skunde yawuoyi ero ma St Mary's Siaya nowuok joloch bang' kane girodho Kisumu Boys e tugono ero mar jomachuo ka bathe kumachielo skul ero mar Manyakat Girls bende nowuok joloch e tugono ero mar adhula mag joma nyiri. Migosi Otieno Lo, jakom mar Nyanza Region Secondary School Sports Association ne oyango rumo mag tuke maket kod magi.
Tumekuwa na michezo zetu hapa Homa Bay, tumefurahi kwa sababu zimeisha salama. Competition imekuwa nzuri na mchezo imekuwa ya hali ya juu. Tumeona kwa finali ambayo imeisha kati ya Kisumu Boys na Yala, imekuwa mchezo wa hali ya juu na Yala imeshinda. Tunafurahi. Saizi tuna zile timu zetu zimequalify kutuwakilisha kule nationals na tunajua tuta-compete vizuri.
Kinde twak mare moyiedhi kod Kala TV japuonj Otieno ne oyango ni noneno kit mich maliche mokalo kind nyithindo maket kod magi kogeno ni Nyanza dhi rieny rang'iny ero mar national.
Sincerely, I've seen an array of talents, not only in this game of soccer, but in all sports. I want to believe the scouts were there. We have very good boys. The future is bright, and I must commend Mofa. Mofa has really given us talent across our schools, and now we are seeing the fruits. Yala being one of the biggest beneficiary of Mosa sponsorship. So we are happy. We've seen talents, and even as we go to the nationals, we shall see them. They'll be there for the display.
Korka kore japuonj Victor Makanda japuonj maduong' e skunde yawuoyi ma St Mary's Siaya to nonyiso mana mor mare kotenore kod loch mabende noyudo.
This journey to this date has been long. Actually, it was started earlier, but come 2023, we put up a program that was supposed to end up into conquering Nyanza, which has come to pass. It has been long and winding, but I really want to appreciate the support of everyone, our technical bench, our students anyway, the stakeholders, and the whole school fraternity for the support they have given the team to reach this far.
Japuonj Makanda koro wacho ni owuoro malich mokalo oledhi ma skunde moko osewuokgo e Nyanza mar tero skunde mamoko e doho bang' koselogi, kata kamano owacho oikore malich mokalo ne ng'at moro amora ma bende nyalo dhi e doho.
We are telling Nyanza that we are going to give them very serious representation, and we want this trophy in Nyanza. It has been a while. No problem, because we want to clean the game, and we don't want ineligible players to be playing. So if they feel against us, or they feel against any other person, as the incoming Kesha regional chairman, I'll support.
Dho japuonj Makanda no ero sir machiegni malich mokalo kod migosi Peter Ojwala, achiel kuom jopuonj e skunde yawuoyi ma St Mary's Siaya matelo ne wechego eko mag tuke.
We know we are the saints. The St. Mary's School Yala, God decides, with us we plan. So we have won this soccer, which we prepared for, and we were sure that we are going to win it.
E bath pap kumachelo kocha Nyakach Girls no dhi mana nyime kod nyiso mor maliche mokalo kotendre ne giwuok joloch e tuk adhula no ero mar joma nyiri. Penina Omolo en japuonj maduong' Nyakach Girls kono.
It has been a fight. Right from the sub-county, we did it. Our team was the best. We went to the counties. Our team emerged as the best from Kisumu County. And we are so proud that today we have made it as the regional champions.
Japuonj Penina koro yangoni gidhi national kod nyadhi maliche mokalo.
My fans are all here. You can see the drums. We are coming with the drums. We are coming with the Nyanza Nyadhi. That's what we are bringing to the nationals. It's going to be different. That's what we brought to Omabay. And we know that we are not going to disappoint our fans. We thank all our fans from Sondu, Box 2 Sondu. We thank all our fans from Nyakach. We thank all our fans from Kisumu County. And we thank all our supporters who are in this region.
Elo jopuonjre go ekoma St. Mary's School yala Steven Nouma ma benen captain mar tuk adhula no ero nonyiso mor margi kotendre kod loch maket kod maendi.
Game imekuwa fiti. Hata zoezi tulikuwa tunaambiana, tulikuwa tunajipea psych. Tunasema lazima tubebe rijo. Ndio Mungu ametupea. Tulikuwa tumejitolea, lazima tubebe hii. Now, kutoka hapa lazima tuende tupige zoezi ya nationals. Yeah.
Bang' piem matket kod magi Nyanza region koro moro wenge gi malich mokalo ka ging'iyo nationals. Ne Kala TV kok Omabay County and Justus Adoyo.